Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class nursery. Our today's topic is writing words. Dear students, in this topic, I will show how to write the numbers in words. I have written 10 numbers. I will show that. Okay, dear students, let us see. First number is, here dear students, I have written the numbers containing 2 digits. Here, this is known as ones position, this is tens position. So, this is ones position is 2 and tens position is 5. If 5 is in tens position, then the number will be started with 50. If 5 is in tens position, then we say the number is started with 50. Okay, and as 2 is in ones position, so we have to say 52. 52. In this way, we have to write the numbers in words. Okay, dear students, so we can write 52. 52. This is our first number, 52. Dear students, let us see the second number, that is ones position is 1 and tens position 8. So, we can say the number is 80 and ones position is 1. So, 81. 81. So, we can write here 81. Then next number is ones position 0, tens position 7. So, we can say the number is 70. 70. As here is ones position is 0, just we will say the tens position. As tens position is 7, so the number will be 70. So, you can write here 70. Okay, dear students. Now, see the next number. Here 4 is in ones position, 5 is in tens position. So, we can say 54. 54. So, the number is 54. Number is 54. Next number, here ones position is 5 and tens position is 7. Ones position is 5, tens position is 7. So, you can say 70, here ones position 5. So, 75. 75. Okay, dear students, let us see the next number. Here ones place is 4 and tens place is 6. So, we can say 64. 64. Okay, dear students, now see the next number. Here ones position is 5, tens position is 9. So, you can say as tens position is 9, so this will be 90, and as 5 is in ones position, this will be 95. 95. 95. So, you can write 95. See the next number. Here ones position is 9, tens position is 8. So, we can say 89. 89. Okay, dear students, now see the next number. Here ones position is 3, tens position is 6. So, we can say 63. 63. Okay, dear students, this is the last number for today. That is ones position is 7, tens position is 5. So you can say 57. 57. Dear students, I hope you have understood how to write the numbers in words. Okay, dear students, I have taken this type of class before. This is the repeated class. Dear students, again I will say the numbers. This is 52, 81, 70, 54, 75, 64, 95, 89, 63, 57. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic and do this as your homework. This is your homework 19. This is your homework 19. Dear students, submit your homework on next Sunday. You know that homework is very important for your annual examination, as your CT marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.